Hey everybody, it's Mindy. I have a surprise here. Well, I knew it was coming, but I didn't. I went to my mailbox. I was expecting one package, and I opened my mailbox, and there were two, and I was like, what in the world is this one? I hadn't put it in my tracker. It came pretty quickly. Let me talk about what it is. It came from Aliexpress. I've opened it so that I would know what it was. So it came from Aliexpress. And let me tell you about this painting. This is all because of Sue, my friend Sue. All because of her. All right, so let's get rid of the bag. So she was telling me one day how she had just ordered some things on AliExpress using her coins. And I was like, okay, wait a minute. How do you do that? Yeah. So let's tell you, this is how it works. If you go on AliExpress, you can get coins every day. There's a little spot at the top that says coins. You hit coins, and you just push the button every day and you get coins. I think you can get 16 every day, but if you miss a day, you go back to 1. Anyhow, you get coins, they build up. Then if you scroll down a little further, there's like a coin exchange. You can go into the coin exchange and scroll across the top until you find home and garden, and diamond paintings will come up. And you can use your coins. You spend a little bit of money, like this was like $3 or $4, and then some of my coins. Now, the thing is, they sell out really fast, and this is from Evershine, okay? This is an Evershine painting. Sue's done all the research. There's some other companies on there that aren't as good a deal, but these you get a really good deal on. But you have to get there like super early. I think like maybe in the middle of the night even. They sell out very quickly. Evershine puts a lot of them on there. There's some cute images, and I got one. I thought, why not? It cost me like $3 or $4. Let's try it, okay? So here is their toolkit, and I don't feel like taking it all out, but look at, we have the thin white multi-placers. Yes, my favorites. Love the multi-placers. With the pen, with the pointy tweezers, and the tray. Now, I have told Sue, Evershine, AZQSD, seems like there's somebody else. They are Huacan companies, okay? And she's like, well, I've gotten Evershine before, and I've had a really good experience with them. And I'm like, well, I'm not saying you can't. I'm just letting you know. And these are square drills. Just letting you know that those companies, and I think there might be one more, are Huacan companies. Meaning they're produced at the Huacan factory, okay? Yeah. So, you know, it's become my understanding that there are just a lot of different companies that may be produced by the same factory, okay? Anyhow, this one was really cute. I liked it. You'll see why in a second. They do have some tape on here. Let's see if we can get the tape off. This will be double-sided adhesive. It's not poured glue. Come on. Okay. Oh, I thought I had it. Nope, I guess not. Let's use that little knife again. The little bitty knife works really well. Okay, come on. All right. There we go. I could do without the tape. I don't know about you, but I could do without the tape. All right. Now, it's on a foam roller. Look how tight it is. Skinny little foam roller. It's really tight. All right. It's a nice canvas. It's not super stiff. It's got 35 colors. It's a 30 by 40. Let's see if we can, I'm going to try to roll it the other way and tease it off this foam roller first. Hopefully loosening it a bit as we go, because it looks to be an excellent shape. And I don't want to mess it up and cause any problems. Bubbles and rivers, we can fix them, we know, but if we don't have to, who wants to, right? We don't want to if we don't have to, right? So, as you can tell, let's see if we can roll it out. It's beautiful. It is really a nice kind of softer canvas. I really like their canvas. Huacan, I believe it's the exact same way. But look at the back of it. It's very, very nice, right? Super nice. Look at it. There is nothing wrong with the back of that canvas. Not a bubble, not a river, nothing. Let's see if we can flip it over, and it's going to want to curl. So I'm just going to go like this. It's going to want to just roll back up. It's been on that roller for a while. Is there one piece? Oh no, there's several pieces of adhesive. Okay. Let's see if we can get them all undone here. Let's see if you can tell what this image is. There's another piece. Okay, looks like it's got 3 pieces. There's 2. One more, come on. All right, last one. So I mean, for $3 or $4, whatever this was, between 3 and 4, I think. I mean, why not, right? I never know how to use those coins in other situations. So this was like, hey, well, I know how to do that. Okay. I can do that. Can you tell what it is? Can you tell? Can you tell? A lot of confetti. Lots and lots of confetti. All right, let's flip it this way. I do not want to take those off. I'm going to put those back on there. Although it keeps going a ways. See if we can pull it back a little more. That's about it. Okay, so you got this pretty lighthouse up on the hill, the water and the sky in the background. And there's a fence. It really shows up pretty good, doesn't it? It really does. Shows up nicely. It's pretty. Yeah, I like it. I wouldn't go spend my coins on something that I would just be like, it's okay. You know, I'm going to, you know, get something I like. But yeah, I liked this one. It looks nice. I like it. I'll show you the thumbnail here in a second. Now see, look how nice and flat it lays, right? Let's see if we can get these nice and close so none of our tape is exposed. Nothing worse than having exposed tape. I'm certain there are things that are worse, but we certainly don't want exposed tape, that's for sure. All right, so look how nice and flat it is. I mean, it comes beautifully. I mean, you can't complain about that. There was no bubbles or rivers or anything in that. And, oh, the picture's this way. So there's the thumbnail. Very pretty, isn't it? This pretty, fluffy cloud sky. And some sand here, and then the hill, and the lighthouse is up there. It's very pretty. They had several lighthouses, but I like this one. I think this was the only one you could get. You can't always get everything that... They come in like groups of pictures, and you can't get everything. They have certain ones. Apparently that's the ones they're promoting. I do like how they do their drills. I mean, you gotta give them that. These are nice drills. Well, packaged nicely. We'll talk about if they're nice or not later. Some people say that they have all kinds of trouble with Huacan. I have not heard anybody say they have trouble with the Evershine. Sue's done Evershine. She's really liked them. Look at these guys right here. See these 4 right here? We'll call them the 4 Musketeers. Do you see them? You see what they're doing? Jailbreak. Jailbreak. They're trying to get away. Yeah. She has always liked how her Evershines turned out. I have not done an Evershine yet. I've done a Huacan, and I did not have trouble with my Huacan. I will say that. I didn't. Some people say that Huacan pops. The drills aren't good. I just don't. I don't know. I mean, if you look at them, the drills look nice in the bag. Let's just grab a bag and we'll look at them. Let's see. Let's grab this pretty blue color. There's a lot of them. Let's just look. You're up pretty close. Now, this is no guarantee. We know that. Do they have a little dimple in the back? Yep. Do I worry about that? Nope. There is plenty of surface area for that drill to stick with. What I look for are tabs, misshapen, hunks taken out of them, things like that. And I just don't see any in there, right? I don't. Let's see. What's one of our dark colors? We always look at dark colors because, you know, they seem to have the most problems. I don't know if it's because of the quantity of them they produce or not, but I mean, they all look pretty uniform and pretty good. You really will only be able to tell when you put them on the canvas to see how they go together. Make sure they are the same size. Make sure they don't pop. That kind of thing. But like I said, I had good experiences with the Huacan that I did. It was one of my first squares I did too. It was early on. I did this Huacan square. It was these crazy confetti horses I did for my daughter. They turned out amazing. They were beautiful. Might have too many in here to really get a good sense of what we got going on. Let's see. Other than the little olive green one in the corner there. I mean, they all look to be about the same size. They look pretty darn good. I mean, we'll have to put them on there to tell for sure, but yeah, okay. You guys, I don't know. It's worth a shot. $3 or $4. Canvas that looks as nice as that. Pfft, you know, give it a go, right? Give it a go. Huh. Oh, there's that. Okay. And it's got 30, what did I say? 35 colors. It's got a lot of color. A lot of color. Now, they did not come with an inventory sheet. So there's no inventory sheet. That could really bother somebody that there's no sheet. But what I do, and this is not too difficult to do actually, I take this canvas, which here's our inventory sheet. Okay. I just take this and I set this on my printer. And I lift up the lid and put it on my printer where you can scan things. I have that type of printer. And I just make a copy of this. And that becomes my inventory sheet. I could blow it up because these are a little small. I could blow it up a little bit, you know. And then I'll run that paper through my Xyron sticker maker and make stickers for my jars or my containers. And I've done that many, many times. And I've never had a problem with it. So they have just some standard symbols, letters, numbers, and a few, you know, random symbols in there. I mean, it's a nice little kit. As long as the drills don't pop, we're good. You know? And look at the pretty colors we have. Look at the pretty colors. There's a brown and a white and a tan. That's probably black. Yep. And some greens for the grass. Look how pretty it is, though. So, anyhow, that's what you can do on Aliexpress. That's how you can use some of your coins if you collect coins. You can play games and get more coins. I don't do that. They look good, you guys. I mean, really. There's another one trying to get away, though. That's the thing with the little baggies. Sometimes they get caught up in the lip, and you just gotta open them up and tell them to go back with the rest. Like, I can't get this one open. I just cut my nails. Yeah, you guys are all doing your nails, putting fancy, you know, stuff on your nails. I just cut mine off. Yep. Oh, one got away right there. One got away. Anyhow, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna go. That's all I got to say about that. Thanks for watching, you guys. Liking the videos, subscribing, commenting. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really enjoy doing what I do. I hope you enjoy it too. Until next time, have a great day.